Good morning children, lesson 1 networking concepts. Before going through this chapter content, I would like to give you a brief description about the chapter. Today computer networks are everywhere. You will find them in homes, offices, factories, hospitals, etc. But how are they created? What technologies do they use? In this chapter, you will learn the basic networking technologies, terms and concepts used in all types of networks, both wired and wireless, connecting computers together. Now coming to the content given in the book. Here is the example given. In our daily life, we come across different types of networks such as network of roads, railway lines, etc. Communication network of telephone system, network of banks or ATMs, radio television network, network of malls, schools, hospitals, etc. all over the country. Children, can you imagine your life without networking? No phone, no radio, no television, etc. It is unbelievable to think life without these amenities. Similarly, computer networks that connect millions of computers together have also become an integral part of our life these days. The internet is an outcome of cyber networking only. Let us understand the concept of computer networks in details. What is computer network and its component? A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. What is peripheral devices here? A computer peripheral is an external device that provides input and output for the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, etc. These are called peripheral devices. Here is the example given of computer networking. Look at this picture given in the book. 3 computers are connected together with the help of hub. Computer A, B and C, and this is the hub. And printer is connected to computer C. Computer A and B can also access printer for printing. Why? Because all are connected with the network. Okay, so this is the advantage of networking. Here is another example given of computer network as a data communication system. In this picture, all computers can share data and exchange information, but also they can work independently. Let us understand a computer network as a data communication system with the help of figure given here. 2 computers are connected together. One is sender and other one is receiver. Message is traveling through the medium. Okay. The sender computer can be a tablet, smartphone, a workstation, anything. A receiver can be also computer, workstation, smartphone, tablet. Message, it is the information to be communicated. It can contain text, picture, audio, video, etc. Transmission medium, it is a physical path through which the message travels from sender to receiver. What is a physical path? It can be twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable and radio waves, anything. Protocol. A protocol specifies a set of rules that governs data communication. Without protocol, data cannot be exchanged. So it is a set of rules that governs the data communication, okay, between two communicating devices. Next topic is advantages of networking. Networking in computer brings efficiency, economy and effectiveness in an organization. How? Just see. Efficient use of storage media. If we store an application software on a network drive, then to store a copy of the application on each user's storage device, it will be more economical to store. Next, preserving information. If we keep backups on a central location, we have one place to look for the lost information. Okay, it is difficult to maintain regular backups on a stand-alone computers. This is also the advantage of networking. Reduction in hardware cost. In a network, the hardware devices that are not used often, like modems, printers, scanners, CD writers, etc., can be shared. This reduces the total expenditure on hardware. Efficiency. In a network, the deletion, modification or upgradation of software data is to be done at a single point only. This brings more efficiency and effectiveness into the working system. Redundancy means duplicate. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents because we are sharing now soft copies of a file over the network. Quickest document delivery. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to other computer throughout the world. So children, these were all about the advantages of networking. Thank you.